Will you close your eyes, please? Okay. Now, what you have to do is not to eat a mango which is there. Stop. Open your eyes, please. So, how many of you have actually imagined eating the mango? Please raise your hands and be honest.
I could feel it.
I really reached feeling, yeah.
So it's not normal human tendency when we are told something not to do, we actually focus on doing it. So that's the power of thinking in adverse way and getting something positive out of it. So that's what we are going to target today. Okay? So
That comes naturally to teenagers.
Negation.
okay, so what I would like you now to think, I know because enterprise agility is failing badly, it's because of the mindset, right? We all know. Now, what I want to do, charts, table. Okay, so what I want to do is now just imagine you to be the leader of your organization. Wow, that's great, you all are leaders. But the agile transformation is happening in your organization, which you are very much against, okay? And you want to fail it badly. 1 year transformation plan, which you have to fail in any possible way, okay? Just think about it, use the post-its, it's the individual activity, okay? Think about in what ways can you fail the enterprise level transformation.
We need 3 charts then. For each person,
No,
we need 3 charts.
just use the post-its for now. Just think the most unwanted ways in which you are going to fail the transformation, because it's the question of your job now. Okay? You will lose the job if agility will come to your organization.
So we want the transformation to fail.
Yeah, you have to fail it.
And what we
As a
write,
leader, you have to ensure you are failing the transformation.
and what we write on the post-it is
Those
we will,
acts, yes.
how we will help it fail.
Right. The acts that will ensure the failure of the transformation. Okay, so at the most you have to write 4 acts, 1 or 2 would be preferable, and just take a minute, okay, it's an individual activity, self-reflection. Please don't discuss, okay? So you just keep it with yourself, did not paste it anywhere right now. Your thoughts with yourself now. It's too private to you because you want to be the secret leader. So again, I'm using the same. Are we done? We are done with. Let me get some more time. Okay, time's up. I have borrowed from her. Okay, time's up. So everyone have accumulated their thoughts, right? I assume it's done. So now, what I want you to do is now form a pair of 2. If there are more than 2 to 3 person in a group, okay? And what you have to do is, I know you are knowing each other from yesterday, you are sitting together, but still if you want to introduce more about yourself, go ahead about it. Introduce yourself and discuss what the ways which you have written, how we are going to fail it. Build more upon it, okay? That's it. Like, you have to make more gruesome plan now as a group. As a pair of 2 or 3. Perhaps, yeah, you can join one of the table. Yeah.
talk to you even more things came to keep so now that where do you work?
हेलो मम्मी इतना है कह रहा फोन में वाले समझ रहे नेट चला हाँ जा रही है कौन तो चेक कर सुबह तो कर दिया सुबह करा था अरे सुबह सुबह किया है मैंने मैसेज करा 555 का आया है 8 GB मैसेज क्या हो गया इसमें क्या हो गया कोई दिक्कत थी क्या दिक्कत कहाँ से हुआ पता है उनसे कह रही है कल कह रही है फ़ोन में रिचार्ज नहीं कराया मेरे से तो रिचार्ज होना चाहिए ना कि रिचार्ज है नहीं फ़ोन में ट्राई अगर लगाता है खत्म हो गया है तो दूसरा डलवा के डाल दे
I hope everyone from the pair is sharing their ideas. The focus is still on sharing.
500 जियो का जो होता है 555 वाला होता है वो डाला मुझे नहीं पता मैंने तो यहाँ से कट चुके हैं डल चुका है सुबह मैसेज भी आया था जब मैंने आपको जब फ़ोन किया था मम्मी ने जब सुबह फ़ोन किया था तो मम्मी ने फ़ोन किया था ना फ़ोन तो वो तभी किया था रिचार्ज और निशा से खांसी की दवाई के लिए मुझे तो पता नहीं मम्मी कह कर दे रिचार्ज चलो कोई बात नहीं और सब ठीक है घर पे हेलो घर पे आ रहे हो ना आ जाओ जल्दी ले आओ घर पे मैं अभी फिर रात में बाहर मैं आपको फोन करते करता ठीक है
Okay. I hope we have shared some of our thoughts and become really cruelsome. Okay. Okay. So I want you to quickly paste this now into your first segment of the charts that's on your table.
आधा घंटे में आ जाए
The whole group should place it within the first segment of the chart.
निशा का फोन किया था मैंने
It would be great now if you can stand up. I would request you. You would be feeling more energetic, not sleepy after lunch. That effect is gone. That's great. Okay. Now this is the table activity together as a group. Okay. Now you have to introduce yourself if you are not aware of each other. Okay. Acts, the best cruelsome acts that you want. You keep it there, rest you can move aside, plus you can discuss and explain to each other. What would be 6 per table, okay? Asli introduction. You can introduce yourself, I think, if you don't know each other, just names a little bit. You know each other? That's great. You all know each other? Yes. Oh, that's great. So please be short if you are introducing yourself. If the transformation doesn't go well, at least you will get mangoes. Virtual mangoes. Next round.
I think they need a minute.
We need a minute.
Okay. I am feeling you are solving the challenges right here, right now of your organization.
So many bad ideas.
Dark side.
Last 5 seconds. Sorry, please. Okay. So now you should have only 6 post-its, maximum of 6 post-its on your segment 1. Okay? Okay, now I know you all know me, but now still to tell about myself, I am Swati Chandra in short. Okay, so I have been in IT for not 12 now, I think 13, 14 years. So I have been worked with Infosys, IBM, other companies as project manager and scrum master, wearing the hat of product owner also at times. So did my SPC and other certifications, and recently I have started independently as a agile coach and trainer. So that's about me. So I have not introduced myself, so now I am introducing. Now you have introduced yourself. So this is the next segment here that you would be working on. So it's just the invitation, it's not obligatory. So I'm inviting you to the question that now, out of the things, the acts that you have identified now, what are the current behaviors that you are exhibiting in your organization? Please, the request is, please accept what you are doing. Okay? So it's the round where you have to accept unknowingly what you have been doing, but it's in this list. So go through the list, try to identify where individually or in a group you are doing this. Okay? So this is for the round 2. And again, like maximum of 6, you can get it for the segment 2. The output of this, you can dwell more into it, think more into it, okay, and come up with the realistic now behavior, and at the max 6 acts in segment 3 as a group. Okay? Sorry? Segment 2.
Out of this, we have to say that what are we doing in our organization.
So this is the outcome that I am seeking. Okay? This is the outcome. What are you doing, right?
What happens in the organization, or what are you doing?
So if you are in the leadership role, okay, not necessarily the top level leadership, any level.
But trying to sabotage the transformation.
Right,
That's just an idea.
right. Even as a project manager, team lead, or whatever, if you are trying to sabotage.
Out of first 6 things, what behaviors we are exhibiting?
Yeah, yes. Whatever your role might be.
Even the behavior that we are seeing other people are doing and we are
It's your
not.
choice. If you are not able to, still you are seeing, you can go ahead.
Okay, even if we are doing what somebody else is doing in our organization.
It would help your leaders to identify, actually.
We are not sacrosanct.
See, even if you are not doing, you are actually helping your leaders to know that these are the things they are not doing good. So it's good to always tell them also. It's a message for them. If they are having this activity, they are getting the message, okay, this is where I have to focus on.
Yeah, how many of us have shared the agile transformation plans across the company? I don't know that all of us have. I've not done that in my organization. It's silly. Like sharing the progress, communicating, telling the intention, right? That would be name important.
Okay, now what I want you to do is, it did not be 5. What steps now you are going to stop this counterproductive, this bad behaviors which is happening, okay? This is simply to stop, no new ideas are welcomed here, okay? So we are just focusing on stopping our negative behavior.
So what we observe
And-
1 and 2?
Yes, so out of segment 2, what you have observed, be realistic. Now you have to stop those acts and try to identify and place them in segment 3. Acts to stop. Acts to stop. Okay, what you have identified in the current behavior, and also who would be actually doing this, who all would be acting with you to stop this. You have to identify 2 things: how to stop and who all will be actually involved in stopping this in your current organization. Okay? We are not focusing anything new, just we are identifying what we are trying to stop.
But what we do,
And focus on who is doing this. Please also focus that who would be actually stopping. And please paste your acts now in segment 3. It should something look like this. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now, I want you, please you can sit down. I think it's a long time you all are standing. Thank you. So now in a group, now just ponder upon, okay, what we did, what facilitation, excuse me please, can I have your focus please, what facilitation techniques we used, okay, might be how are they different than what facilitation techniques that we are using now in our organization, and the role of questions, we had 3 questions, so the role of questions, the role of speaker, okay, and beside what we did, what other challenges you can think of in your organization where you can apply these. Okay, one of the challenge was enterprise agility. There can be 100 of such challenges where you can apply this. So just discuss that in your group. And on post-its you can collaboratively have some maximum 5 ideas on that. Observation, just discuss and write on post-its in a group.
About this methodology.
Right on the post-its, what again?
The observation, what you observed, what technique we used, or what was the role of the question, or perhaps what challenges can you solve in practical scenario in your company.
Through this technique.
Through the techniques, whatever your understanding is out of this workshop.
Out of this workshop?
Right.
No, out of
The technique.
The techniques that we have used, if you are going to apply that to your organization, what other question can you think of? I presented you with one of the question, failing the enterprise agility, right? Some other question which you can think of. You need not work on all, might be one thing you can pick up per table, might be, if you are interested that way. Either focus on technique, either focus on role of questions, or either think of the practical question, it's up to you.
Because the technique is about like negative. We are talking more about the negative and then asking people.
That's a good way to.
That's a good way.
Even in meditation, they say that monkey which keeps coming in your thoughts, and they tell you that don't let that monkey.
Let me wrap up. I think we are done. Something from this table? One ideas, if you have any, or technique. If you notice something about question or technique you want to share.
So we can use this in retrospective to open.
That's covered. Sorry.
Okay.
Let's.
Covered.
Anything else about the technique question? You observe the power of questions. Like we started in the negative way.
Yeah.
So our aim is to actually like creative destruction. We are doing the destroying the negative habits, and we have started with the negative question, and we are gaining the trust of everyone in the involved in the group by making everyone think and speak. So the power of silent reflection, okay, we use that, building the trust by having entire team speak up. So that's what we, and also when we are removing our negative things, negative acts, we are actually, now our mind is blank to create the space for innovation. The mind is definitely thinking what next, what something else we should do. So that's how you can refer more to the charts, and we have used 2 of the techniques, 1, 2, 4 all, as well as the TRIS from the liberating structures, and together using this
What
like
is the second one called?
TRIS, TRIZ. TRIS. So there is the 3 set of questions. The negative question actually leading you to identify the negative behaviors, stopping them, and creating space for innovation. And also, if you notice the role of speaker, I have not introduced myself earlier. Actually, even we can go avoid the slides, because that is one of the facilitation technique that we have been using. So we are trying to avoid those and rather suggesting these techniques. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.
Thanks for your session.
Thank you.